Hello students, I welcome you back on another session of article writing. So already we have discussed a lot of things like format, then we have discussed one question also. We have discussed about coder, right? How you can collect your thoughts, organize and preparing and then editing and rewrite the entire article. Today we will discuss about paragraph division. After following these points, you have to, here only the problem arises to you that what to write, how to begin, how to give it a start, from where, like these questions you get into messed up with all these questions in your mind. So you must remember, you must write only 3 paragraphs. Don't exceed to that. You don't think that if you will write 4-5 paragraphs, that will attract the teacher and will give you good marks and all that. The longer, the mistakes. Okay, so you just go by this, because you have to also keep mind word limit. So always start, first give a introduction. In the introduction you have to give the definition. Now what is definition? According to your question. Okay, just define it. The causes, last time we have discussed about pollution, so just define the causes of pollution, effect of greenhouse gases and so on. Just define it. Okay, then rhetorical questions. Now what are these? Like you must have heard about the politicians say, ask us, do you want any development in a country? Of course answer is yes. Who does not want it? So these rhetorical questions are those which do not expect an answer, as it is already understood. Alright, for example, don't you think it is high time we save up earth? Of course answer. Right, so after that, after doing that rhetorical question, you have to put after giving a definition. Okay, then after that explain the definition or elaborate it. Then just elaborate it. Okay, a tip for it. After writing the title and by, whoever is writing, right, after writing by, just start with a quote. Okay, so write with a quote. It looks very attractive. Okay, so if you have this thing in your mind, how to start, where to start, from where to do, so start with a quote, whatever. Okay, so that will look attractive. Now comes body, very important. Body, anything that collected that has been collected in your thoughts, like you have to types of pollution or whatever mention in the question. If the question says give the excess use of plastic, so there types of pollution you cannot write, so you have to mention according to the question. So problems in this body, in your second paragraph you have to write causes and effects or reasons and result cases you have to write. You have to categorize into 3. Alright, just categorize into 3 and there you are. After writing body comes a third paragraph, that is conclusion. So when you are giving problem, you are discussing problem, you are writing problem, so please give it a solution. Because without solution, how will you? Because you are writing an article, right? So here you have to express your ideas to give solution, like what can be done to save our environment, right? Like you can plant more trees and so on. Now again a tip, if possible try to give one more quote that also gain good marks and looks catchy, right? If it is possible after conclusion or in between conclusion, just give it a good nice quote and then there you are. It really looks very nice. Okay, so let's discuss about an article that I have already written. Alright, so like article was about reduce pollution, right? So first comes your what? Title. Grow more trees to reduce pollution. I have written the title by Tejas, by Arun, by Agnes, anything you can write. After that, I have written, as usual, as I told you about the quote, and the quote says, trees are poems the earth writes upon sky. Right? A nice catchy quote. Then comes your first paragraph, in which I have already told you you have to define it. So define is trees and plants are one of the main reasons why mankind came in existence. So the importance of planting trees has been emphasized since time and again. This is because of the numerous benefits of trees. Right? You have defined it. After that, what I said, rhetorical question, like don't you love to spend time amidst the beauty of nature? Right? After that, again, as I told you, comes your second paragraph that includes causes, preventions, benefits of trees, All right. So I have written the trees make the world a better place to live in. They exhale oxygen and inhale carbon dioxide to maintain the balance in the environment. They also absorb all the harmful gases. Moreover, they build a sheet to protect us from harmful rays. Furthermore, they serve as a habitat for birds and various species of animals. In addition, they help in controlling water pollution and preventing soil erosion. Alright, so you have to focus on the main problems and solution to it. Alright, so now, unfortunately, industrialization is leading the clearing of forests despite their benefits. Now you have to give here only the solution. The only way to preserve them is growing them in faster rate. Now at end what I told you with a brownie point, that is with a quote. As a Chinese proverb state, the best time to plant a tree was 20 years ago. The second best time is now. Now, the third paragraph, conclusion, as I told you. Concluding, hereby, we should do our bit and make this place more beautiful. Isn't it? Okay. So now you can see that some of the words I have highlighted with red and underlined it. What are these? We will discuss in a next video. Alright, I hope you must have got the idea how to write and where to start. You can keep these points in your mind. Okay, thank you.